Good morning or afternoon.
Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Today is kind of a different one. We have given you for 2 years now, two of them, a video every single week. Some of them have been educational, some funny.
She's done the videos.
Yeah, but you're my eye candy. Some of them been a little salty. Okay, so a little bit of everything, but what we've decided is it's time to go a little deeper with some of you guys. We want to get to know some of you, maybe all of you, who knows? But it's time for us to do YouTube memberships. So today we're going to explain to you what that is. So today we're launching the Noeta Navy. That's our Noeta membership, where you can choose your level of support and also decide what perks it is that you guys want. Gosh, I feel like I'm doing an ad here.
As many as 3 levels.
So we're going to
see if you guys get the reference to that one.
Oh, geez. So we're going to explain those levels to you.
So our first level is going to be Noeta Deckhands. It's just primary level. It's a way for you to say thanks. It gives you, we'll recognize you with emojis, special icons. We'll reply to you first. We'll acknowledge you on lives.
Yeah, and all that for just the price of a coffee.
Yeah.
And if you want to be more involved, level 2 is
and
for...
why wouldn't you want to be more involved?
Well, I would want to be more involved, but level 2 is for Noeta Crew. That rhymed.
Yeah.
Hey, our Noeta Crew gets everything of the deckhand levels, but you are also going to participate in our member-only polls, where you get to help us decide what we film next.
Yeah, what do you want to see?
Maybe where we go next, what boat thing we buy next. I don't know. We're going to ask you to help us decide our path. You will also get to be part of our members-only live, where we can chat back and forth, and members-only a community chat space. And this is sort of like a social media chat space where you can make posts, we can make posts, we can all kind of talk together in a smaller, more intimate way.
But wait, there's more.
Level 3.
Level 3. That is the Noeta VIP level. Ooh.
Very important.
That's the level you get. You'll get our Noeta position tracker where the boat is. We'll do weather, like weather apps, weather updates, how I figure out weather, routing. We'll get raw engine footage, more unedited salty talk.
Behind the scenes.
Behind the scenes.
One of the perks for you guys, once you've been a member for 3 months, you will be getting free or hugely discounted.
We're trying to figure this part out.
We're trying to figure out how it works.
Because the vendor that does our shirts,
I haven't told them what they get yet. Oh. Merchandise.
Yes, merch.
But we're still working on that. That's why it's going to be in month 3. You're going to get something. We just don't know what that looks like just yet. So in addition to all the extra behind the scenes footage and the shorts and the expertise that Pat can bring, I'm going to bring some Spanish for boaters. We also will include my entire high school level 1 first semester Spanish, which is basic Spanish. I know. But I'll be making some shorts just for boaters about how to use that language on a boat and while cruising internationally.
And not boat salty talk.
And that's at the top level. And that's really just for the price of a mezcal cocktail.
Yeah, really.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So that's our level 3. Click the join button today to see all the details. And thank you so much for being a part of this community. We'll see you all in the Noeta Navy.
Woo! Up and running.
We don't have microphones.
Oh, we don't have microphones. Okay, I'll try to remember all that.
That's okay. They're the ones that get extra videos.
Oh, yeah.
Please say I hit record.
Oh.
Just stay right there.
Oh.
I'm pretty sure I did. I did.
Oh, that's behind the scenes.
That's the behind the scenes footage I'm talking about.
So more behind the scenes.
Okay.
We were recording, for f***'s sake. The Noeta Navy.
Okay.
You going to say that?
Okay. Maybe. We'll see what happens. But click the join button today So click the join button today.
Click the join button. Click the join button today.
Click the join button
Say
today.
that fast 3 times.
Shush, now it's time. Click the join button today to see all the details.